hard. I mean, I did not stop. And then I was like, hey, you know, and I'm really hot. It's so funny that when I'm talking to you, you're like,
the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Benton County and north central Texas until 11:45 p.m. At 11:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Crum, or 11 miles southwest of Stenger, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and $5 hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near from around 11:40 p.m. Saying around 11:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the security building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and control at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.